Update on AWS global outage. Recovery underway as of October 21, 2025. A major outage in Amazon Web Services, AWS, struck early on October 20, 2025, primarily affecting the U.S. East 1 region and cascading into disruptions for numerous high-profile services worldwide. Based on the latest reports, services are largely restored, but some residual issues and discussions persist. Here's a breakdown of what happened, the impacts, and the current status. What caused the outage? AWS confirmed increased error rates and latencies in multiple services within the U.S. East 1 region, starting around early Monday, October 20th. Please remember to hit that subscribe button to support us create more feeds. Initial reports pointed to issues with DynamoDB, a NoSQL database service, where DNS records briefly vanished from resolvers like Google and Cloudflare, as spotted by early observers. Broader speculation on X, formerly Twitter, attributes it to systemic issues like mass layoffs, outsourced talent, and over-reliance on a few cloud providers, though AWS hasn't officially confirmed a root cause beyond regional errors. Affected services. The outage rippled across AWS-dependent platforms, hitting entertainment, finance, and daily apps hardest. DownDetector tracked spikes in reports globally. Key impacts included: service disruption details status as of October 21, Amazon.com and Prime Video shopping carts failed. Streaming halted mid-episode. Alexa voice commands unresponsive. Fully restored. Snapchat login failures and message sending issues. Millions of users locked out. Operational. No ongoing reports. Fortnite, Epic Games, server connections dropped. Gameplay impossible for hours. Back online. Queues cleared. Roblox user logins and game worlds inaccessible. Recovered. Minor login delays reported earlier. Facebook, Meta. Partial outages for feeds and notifications in some regions. Resolved. Venmo payment processing stalled, affecting peer-to-peer transfers. Fully functional. Other notable hits: Disney+, PlayStation Network, Duolingo, Canva, Ring cameras, Starbucks mobile orders, and even some blockchain networks, e.g., temporary downtime for centralized chains reliant on AWS. Unique anecdotes: streamers saw viewer counts plummet on Twitch due to back-end glitches, possibly AWS-linked. Sleep tech like 8 sleep pods disrupted users' routines overnight. Even prescription pickups were delayed for some due to pharmacy system ties. Recovery and current status. Timeline. Issues peaked in the morning of October 20th and began resolving by evening. By late October 20th, U.S. time, AWS reported mitigation efforts underway, with full restoration for many services by midnight GMT. As of October 21st, most services are fully operational. AWS status page shows green across the board for U.S. East 1, and user reports on DownDetector have dropped to baseline levels. Educational platforms like Canvas confirmed full access restored after close coordination with AWS. Ongoing efforts. Companies like 8 Sleep are outage-proofing systems with 24/7 monitoring to prevent future disruptions. Broader industry chatter emphasizes diversifying away from single cloud providers. Broader implications. Economic hit. Experts estimate costs in the hundreds of billions globally, factoring in lost productivity, gaming revenue, and e-commerce dips. Lessons for tech. The event exposed vulnerabilities in cloud dependency. Even decentralized blockchains faltered if AWS tied. It sparked memes, e.g., "What if we kissed during the AWS outage?" and calls for resilience. No cyber attack confirmed. Early fears of hacks were dismissed. It appears technical in nature. 4 real-time checks. Monitor AWS status page or DownDetector. If you're experiencing issues, it might be localized. Let me know for more tailored help. Thank you for watching.